What's up everybody, it's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. Welcome to another video. Today, I'm in Augusta, Georgia, and we are at one of my student partners, one of my coaching partners. His name is Anthony. I've done a podcast with him a few months ago. I'll make sure I'll post it up in the top for you so you can check it out. But we're actually walking through two deals that he has right now. First one, he's about halfway done with. He's been having a lot of inspection issues with that, but I think that's going to be a short-term rental or nursing rental space for short term, or student housing. I'm not sure exactly what he's going to do with it. And then he has another one that he's about to get started on. Both of these deals are cash cows for him. He picked them up at really good prices, and we're going to walk through both of them and see how he got these deals done.
What's going on, man?
What's up, man? Good to see you, bro.
Glad you can make it, man.
Yeah, man, yeah. So we're gonna check out Anthony's property here, and gonna talk to him a little bit to see how this deal actually worked, and see what the numbers were. Let's get into it. So how did you find this one right here?
Actually, we sent out the postcards. You told us to do that.
Direct mail.
Right.
Yep.
So this guy actually responded. He was looking to get rid of the property because he didn't have any time to work on it. So we got it from him for about 40.
Got it. 40,000, man. What do you feel like it's worth once it's fixed up?
The ARV is 153.
And you got that future value appraisal?
Yep.
How much do you feel like you're gonna put into this one once
probably about 30, 35.
35. So you bought it for 40, you'll be into it for 70.
Right.
So you basically got it. You're gonna be all in at half of
half of what it's worth. Right.
So this is a money maker right here. Yep. This is definitely a money maker. Once you refi cash out, you literally into this thing, and be able to pull out a significant amount of money from it. And what do you feel like it's gonna rent for?
The rental comps anywhere from like $1,100 to $1,200.
$1,200.
Yeah.
What do you feel like your mortgage payments are gonna be on this?
With 75, probably like around, I'd probably say
$800. That's kind of what I was thinking.
Yeah.
So $1,500. So you make a $700 cash flow on it every month.
Yep.
You could easily get 150 times. You figure minus 30 grand off of that, you're looking at 120. You can easily pull out 50,000, 40, 50,000 on this, right? This is a good situation, man. So you want to show us around this a little bit?
Yep.
So what do you plan on doing with this kitchen?
So I'm gonna gut all of this out. I'm not a fan. Well, actually, we're gonna tear this wall down, right? So we're gonna open it up, give it the open concept. Then we're gonna sheetrock the rest of this stuff up. All of this, we're gonna tear all of this out. Put new stove, new countertops, new refrigerator. We're gonna replace that door. It's gonna be like a
sliding door.
Yeah, sliding door, right? Okay. Yep. All the windows in the house have to be replaced because they're all busted out. New floor. And what we're gonna do is we also gonna widen up this laundry room because it's kind of small. So the average washer machine and dryer will probably come to right here.
It's barely gonna fit, right?
Right. So we're gonna tear this wall down, push it back because that's just nothing but a storage area, giving us more room.
I mean, this is the living room space. I mean, the reason it's so dark in here, just so y'all know, whenever you buy a house and it's gonna be vacant for a while, you want to make sure that you board the house up, obviously to keep out squatters. Anthony don't want to have to call me down here to Georgia to get some squatters out the house. So we want to board it up, secure it as much as possible, keep our damage low, and then keep people out, so we'll lessen the headaches of this type of deal. You know, so he's not going to get to this for at least what you said, 2 months.
2 months. Yep.
Another 2 months. So right now it's just sitting, but you gotta take all these things into account. So we might not be able to see the entire house because it's dark back there, I'm sure, right?
Yeah.
But we might be able to walk through because we got all these. Look, check it out. Here's our artificial lights today. Why don't we at least try to walk through, see what we can get done? Yeah, this is not bad. And we can just see from here. Look, this is you got a bedroom. It's your standardized bedroom. Here's how you tell. What makes you think that this is a bedroom?
Got a closet.
Got a closet. And what else? There's something else that comes with a bedroom, right?
A window.
And heating.
Heating.
You got heating right there. You got a closet space. And you got a window. That's what makes a bedroom. If it's missing a closet space but it has heat and a window, it's an office. right? So the way that you count it as a bedroom, it has to have all three. And that's usually code nationwide, from what I understand, from what I've experienced throughout my years investing in real estate. So what's the plan with the bathroom here?
So the bathroom, my contractor thinks that he can actually save this tub, because I was thinking about just completely doing something different, but he thinks that he can save it. So we're gonna try to save it, but we're gonna redo the floor. Of course, we're gonna redo the tub and this sink and cabinet, put some more updated light fixtures and mirrors. We're gonna get rid of all of this wallpaper, you know.
And that's not to, just so you know, that's very inexpensive to replace right there, to update that. It might cost you $250 tops.
Right.
You know what I mean? So you'll have a new fan there. I would keep that tub, maybe even epoxy it, man. Throw some epoxy on that tub, white, like a white color.
Yeah, that's pretty much what he was saying. He was like, nah.
You save that. That's where you save the money. You know what I mean? And it still gives it that modern feel.
All right, so
and we got a big hole in the wall right here. This is the foundation, I'm sure.
Yep.
So you had some foundation issues, or what was going on down there?
So before I bought the property, there was some kids came playing around, lit a fire, and burnt up the bottom half of this part of the house. So, you know, we gotta replace that.
Okay.
Yeah, so we gotta take out the joists, replace it with some brand new wood. Of course, we gotta come back with some brand new plywood. Not really worried about the carpet because that's coming up anyway.
Okay.
So yeah, new drywall, fix this hole in the floor. Of course, the window.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna extend this bathroom out.
Yeah, I can see why $35,000 is a good number. This place doesn't need as much work. You know what I mean? This is a pretty sound house, man. All right, so we heading over to the second house right now, following Anthony. I'm gonna show you guys inside that one. So that's downtown.
Hospital's that way.
Hospital right there.
Yep.
This is like a perfect location for like a Airbnb, or you said the student housing is good.
Right.
You know, something like that. Somebody come visit downtown. You want to Airbnb this? It's a good deal, man. It's a money maker. Yeah. You know. Well, you want to walk us around?
Yeah.
So I saw this through pictures. This is the first time I'm actually seeing it in person.
So we used to have a fireplace right here.
Mm-hmm.
We tore that fireplace down, reinforced it. When we got in here, I didn't know that the floor was bad, but once he went up under the house, like apparently there was some type of water leak, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it had rotted up this whole section. So we had to rip this whole floor up. He went back with plywood, and then after I talked to my real estate agent, like I told you, she said if we added an extra bedroom, that would increase the value of the house. So this is the extra bedroom. It was 2 bed, 2 bath. Now it's gonna be 3 bed, 2 bath.
Hallway bath right here.
So this is gonna be the hallway bath, room, water heater, and then this is the bathroom to the master bedroom.
Master bedroom. So this will be the master right here. This is a closet, I'm assuming.
Right.
Right. That's a bathroom, and this is the
master bathroom.
The master bedroom.
Yeah.
Right, and that's the master bath right there. Now you got a bunch of water in there.
Yeah, we just passed inspection.
Got you.
The plumbing. So they finally came back out, fixed what they needed to fix, and we just passed it. So
cool, man. And then that other one has a bathroom as well. The other room that you added.
No. So they would have to walk out. Whoever.
And come into here. So let's talk some numbers, man. What did you? I mean, we spoke about this on our podcast that we did together, but what did you pick this up for again?
70.
70, and what do you feel like you're gonna have into it?
Probably about 45 all into it.
45. So you figure 70. So about one. What is that? 115.
Yeah. So
105. 105 is it? No, that's 115. 70 and 40. Yeah, 115. And you said you had a future valuation on this of.
It came in at 163.
163. So by the time you refi cash out, you'll be good to go on this one, man. It's a good deal. Why don't you tell everybody how long you've been doing this?
About 8 months.
8 months.
8 months.
You got a potential $65,000 in cash flow that you're gonna pull out. $3,700 potential in passive income. Own 2 properties. What do you feel like these properties are worth collectively once you fix them up?
Combined, probably around. I'd say probably like around $350,000.
$350,000, which can be added to your net worth.
Right.
So, and this is a great start to real estate, man. How do you feel about it?
I feel pretty good about it. I'm excited.
Yeah, man.
I'm excited, man.
What would you tell people who's just getting started right now about real estate investing?
I would tell them that it's hard work, but it's worth it, right? As long as you put in the time and the effort and you manage it correctly, I believe that anybody could do it. I got a full-time job, as Jamel knows, and I'm out here making it happen.
That's right.
You know, so as long as you put in the work and you're consistent, I think that anybody can do it.
That's right. Anthony started this 8 months ago. Now, were you thinking about real estate before this? We talked about some of this on the podcast already.
Right, a little bit, right, in the past, right.
Right, didn't do much with it, but he definitely put in that work. He decided to become a partner of mine, coaching partner, and then you feel like that was worth it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gained a lot of knowledge and experience. Pretty sure I had to bug him quite a bit.
See, I like to talk about deals. It's a pleasure to talk about deals, and it's a pleasure to talk to people who's actually doing something with the information that we help them out with. So it's always a pleasure to talk to you, man. I appreciate you inviting us out to these deals. I'm happy you're making progress, and I'm looking forward to much more to come, bro.
Same here.
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it, man.
So listen, guys, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell. Also, let me know if you want to see more videos just like this. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Peace.